Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. These are required simultaneously. Next, open Settings, go to System, and tap Nearby Sharing. Choose Everyone Nearby or My Devices depending on how open you want transfers to be. Make sure your screen stays unlocked so the system can accept incoming requests. Note the device name shown there because the sender must select it. Once done, you're discoverable and ready to receive a transfer from a nearby Android or another Windows device. When the sender initiates Nearby Share, look for the incoming transfer notification in the lower right corner of your screen. You must accept the transfer. Click Accept, then confirm or change the save location if prompted. Downloads is the default. While accepting, watch transfer progress. Make sure no heavy network changes occur. After completion, open File Explorer and check the file to confirm it opened correctly and that the file size matches what the sender intended, so you avoid incomplete transfers. Finish by opening and verifying the received file. Run an antivirus scan if the source is unfamiliar, then move the file to your preferred folder. If you don't see the file, check the Notifications panel and the Downloads folder. Also revisit Nearby Sharing settings to confirm device visibility. If transfers fail, restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, toggle Nearby Sharing off and on, and, if necessary, reboot your laptop. This usually fixes discoverability or permission hiccups, so you can try the transfer again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.